see Oscar. He's just walking around. He's walking around in a familiar place, but at night. For some reason, his brother, Pepito, he's all the way back in the patio. What the fuck are you doing here? Oh, he's slapping the rock. They get to see the world that they're seeing the world that they never saw, that they never see regularly, as for their birthday. Oscar's like, where the big booty bitches at? Well, Pepito's just like, I want to take a nap. Yep, these two little shits are 1 year old now. So you better say happy birthday.